Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick review video of what we covered in terms of combining polynomials through subtraction. So I'm going to make up two polynomials here on the spot. Let's say 3x cubed minus 2x plus 1. And we want to subtract, let's say, negative 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus x, okay? Now, what I showed you in the lesson today was that you can create, you can do this the same way you did with addition. So create columns where the terms that match go underneath each other. So in the first polynomial, there's no squared. In the second one, we have a negative 4x cubed, a positive 2x squared, and a negative x. Okay, so there's a gap for the x squared in the first polynomial, and there's a gap for the constant in the second. Now, from the lesson, I said that you could then turn this into an addition problem, so long as you reversed all of the signs in the second polynomial. And when you do this now, you end up with 7 of these x cubes. The subtraction flips the sign on that 2x squared, so it's a negative 2x squared. It's flipped the sign on the x, so we have now negative 2x plus x leaves us with a negative x, and then a positive 1 comes down here for the final answer. Now, you can do this horizontally. I'm not going to grade one way or the other on your test. If you are more comfortable keeping this horizontal, so I'm going to rewrite what we had at the start. And I heard this described really well by one student as, can I just distribute the negative to each piece? And the answer is yes. You can do it this way. So if we were to do what that student described, and take this negative sign and distribute it here, and distribute it here, we could then rewrite this. We can leave the first polynomial as 3x cubed minus 2x plus 1, but we now have a positive 4x cubed, a negative 2x squared, and a positive x. Now, when it comes to this, it would pay to rewrite these like we did in the first module in order of descending exponent, power, however you want to think about it. So we would put the 3x cubed, that's taken care of. The positive 4x cubed, that's taken care of. Now look, do we have any x squareds? Yes, we have the negative 2x squared, that's taken care of. We have a negative 2x and a positive x, and then a positive 1. And when this all combines, we're left with 7x cubed minus 2x squared, and I'm going to run out of room, but you have a negative x and a positive x, so a minus x and a positive 1.